Good morning, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, and 802 Honda. They're all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. So we're looking at temperatures here that are right on the fence. If anything, they're falling just a little bit, but they're going to be going up here in another hour and a half. We're right anywhere from 30 to about 32 degrees. Surface ground temperature is very similar. Many of the sensors reporting that. We have this dynamical burst of precipitation. This is out ahead of this trough that's going to be pushing to the north and east. So we really haven't seen the precipitation here in parts of eastern and northeastern Vermont. Just getting started. However, western side of the state, they have been seeing that. And right now, again, it's kind of touch and go. Right now, it is a situation where we're going to see the worst of it landing on the morning commute as this area of wet snow here that's a changeover with colder temperatures wrapping in aloft due to this upper level trough is going to push into the region. Let's take a look at the computer modeling very quickly here. So we're going to start with the HREF. And first things first, we're going to see right up to the time here. This is, let's see, 789Z. This is 4 o'clock this morning. So you can see how two different shields from two different separate weather systems are sort of closing in and coming together, and thus we're looking at generally freezing rain. So just carry that a little bit further here. This is 7 o'clock this morning, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's noon, 1 o'clock, and by 1 o'clock things are going to start to settle out and work north. Let's take a look at the HRRR. You got the latest Model 1 run here on the left and the older model run on the right. So we can watch this fill in here. Unfortunate timing for the morning commute. We're looking at multiple precipitation types and then a changeover to wet snow. But some areas staying as rain, but I would not trust those particular areas as this is not factored in terms of ground temperatures. It's very dicey travel for this morning, but you can see what we're up against here. Now, the HRRR keeps this precipitation going across the northern tier region, but leaves basically Lamoille and Washington County later on today, but looks like it goes a little bit longer. Last but not least, we're going to look at the Europe. This is valid again at 4 o'clock on the European model here, and you can see how this spreads the moderate precipitation in the southwest corner of the state, Albany, Schenectady area, changing over to wet snow. This is valid by 10 o'clock. So we're still seeing freezing rain up through 10 o'clock mixed with some wet snow, multiple precipitation types, dangerous traveling conditions as it looks right now, with the rate of fall a little bit more intense. And then by 1 o'clock this afternoon, we're over to wet snow. Then that begins to push away. And by late today, this evening, that precipitation has now moved off to the north and east. It is going to be a dangerous morning commute. Heads up, everyone, but you may luck out. I would watch it, be very, very careful, and take extra time to get to your destination. Schools, I recommend closure in these areas, especially near the Green Mountains and points west, maybe not in the areas near the Connecticut River Valley where both air and ground temperatures are a little bit warmer this morning. That's it from here, Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.